monster. Oh! Now you're wet. Oh, man.
Knocked down, now we're thinking about with the shit that we did growing up as a kid. Well, now throwing rocks at windows, tucking borders and a fishing pole. We had our secret spot, the place to go when the sun got out. Not about all the fish we got, but a hiding spot from a lot like out. Down in Chester, Miss Valley, there's a bridge made from a livestock
Check out this over here, eh? The colored sky.
Downriver, well, from the city, the air was clean, but the water was gritty, and we still swam in it, no anyway. And I remember jumping off the old train bridge. There were no cliffs in the prairies where I lived, yeah. Down in Chester, Miss Valley, and we're skipping rocks to the other side, shooting down the logs that were floating by, and those were the little games that we played just to try to pass the time anyway. And the big boys brought it down by the water, we'll meet the river rider and the farmer's daughter. Told stories all night long, he was singing songs till the morning come, and down in Chester, Miss Valley, somewhere on the other side of the last broken bridge. No, on the other side, directions will be easy. This is for the rocket times, you can come along and find me. You can come along and find me.
Getting a little more intense here. Sorry.
Escape from my hands to the river, now the river gonna take it away. But that's okay, it's fun and games now until the grave. But now the fish are going back to where they live, 'cause I love to sing. Now the fish can live and swim to see another day. Taking both bait that I can use to make my friends will for some. Who's what is to do? If you can't be fishing, it got to be a drinking. I say, face down and in the ground, and then my tick up against the pound. Then my soul begins to wake as I wake.